Hey there. Okay, so this paper, it looks like it has a lot on it, but we're only gonna do like 10 of them. So here's the deal. This is the stuff that's on that test that I need you to do to get your quarter one credit. So what I want you to do, it looks like it has a ton of words. Ignore them all, okay? And cross off problem number 1. Don't do that one. And just look here at problem 3, okay? And like I was saying above, it looks like there's a lot of words. Ignore them all. All I want you to focus on is finding a pattern. So find a pattern. Okay? So for example, how do I get from -4 to -8? Oh, well, I times by 2. Okay? And does that pattern hold? Like, is it the same across all of these? To get from -8 to -16? Oh, yeah, I times by 2. -16 to -32, yeah, I times by 2. And you're really good with your times tables. That was something I noticed when we did all those multiplication games. So the pattern on this one is times by 2, and that's your answer. That's it. Okay, on this next one, this one looks a little bit harder. In fact, not harder, but I might need a calculator for it, because how do I get from -8 to 22? Well, let's see. What plus -8 equals 22? I think it's plus 30. So plus 30. Okay, now let's just double check and make sure it's the same pattern all the way across. Yeah, let's see, plus 30 there, plus 30 there. And honestly, I just use a calculator on these. So my answer is going to be plus 30. What I want you to do is 10 more of these, and then and jump around. You can pick any of them that look easy or hard to you. So pick any of them. There's just one other thing that I want to say here. Oops, that's not what I wanted. Let me try again. Let me get a blank paper here. Okay. So on your test, there's a couple of things. One thing that it might look like is a table like this. Okay, and it might have 0, 1, 2, 3, and then have like 10, 20, 40, 80. Oh, but hey, you already know this. To get from here to here, 10 to 20, I times by 2. To get from 20 to 40, I times by 2. To get from 40 to 80, I times by 2. So if it's a table, it's literally the exact same thing. You're just figuring out, okay, well, how am I going to get to the next one? How am I going to find that pattern? So once again, we're just finding a pattern. Another thing that you might see on your test is like a picture. So it might be a picture like this, where like we start with 1 circle, and then we go to 3 circles, and then we go to like 5 circles. 3, 4, 5, right? But in each case here, like, how did I get from 1 to 3? Oh, I just added 2. How did I get from 3 to 5? I just added 2. Okay, so my answer would be plus 2. So, like I said, do 10 of these guys. Pick just any 10, doesn't matter. So do 10 of those guys, and then come get your test from me, and I think we can probably get quarter one stuff done today. So good luck. Let me know if you have any questions.